For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, kumdlalo we-Betway Premiership, and iphethe iBhakaniya. Bhakaniya, uziva njani namhlanje?
iBhakaniya ngushaba wama-2K, then ushaba wama-2K we-Orlando Pirates. Mr. Shane and Shane kunjani?
No, I'm good, I'm good. Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Siqale ngibulise indoda ngapha uBobzini. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one trying to fix South African football. Shane.
Sure.
Ubani lentwana leyo number 44 ye-Pirates? Umbokazi. Ngicela ukutalksta umfazi wami ngimtshela ukuthi fakisa umbokazi isandla.
Hayi wena.
Yeah, ubaby, ithi baby. Yabona ngitext baby. Fakisa umbokazi isandla. Umbokazi udeserve yonke into. That boy is a gem. Ngicela sibelieve kule antwana leya as much as sibelieve kubonkocha naborele bokhile Mfukeng. And I know that coach Jose Rivero uzoyenza kanjalo. And Mr. Shane, ngizwa bathi uRibero. Ujola Samuel lana Soweto, that's why umbona seka performa kanje. uRibero batheka thola umfazi eSoweto. That's why seka performa kanje. Bathi the league is gone. Ngilande isadlule Irene ibheke Centurion ithi ePitori. The league is not yet gone.
The league is not yet gone. You are now 15 points behind. We have 4 games in hand. Uti, the league is not gone. Okwangoku. Usaza u-challenger for the league.
I will still fight for the league until the last game. Yangizwa Mr. Shenington. I will fight for the league until the last game. Yabona if iquit ihamba phambili, mina nge-X2 yami eBM ngihambe emuva, angina pressure because ngiyazi ukuthi mabangangivulela.
Indone ekuchazileyo ngomdlalo wanamhlanje kuThemba because sonto like coming back into the game. Indone ekuchazileyo namhlanje on a much more serious note. Indone ekuchazileyo ngeteam yakho namhlanje.
Okay, I know coach Jose Rivero ubonile ukuthi he won't go pound to pound ne Sundowns. So uvela thini since sithole le 2 goals le asihlaleni. You understand? Ubheke iPirates bekunganamuntu ephuma ngayo because beba uRilebogile namhlanje beyangekho wide beyangenela phakathi. You understand? Then uMakgopa he was off. But ubonile ukuthi angilose. I got nothing to lose. So noma ngapaka ipass until the last 90 minutes ngwinile. And for sijabulile swinile yonke into imnandi.
So namhlanje ubonile ukuthi uqale uMakgopa and not isniper uTshego Faso Mabasa. Ucoach wakho seems like uyathanda ukuthi betha le Sundowns.
Okay, with the idea of ukuthi afake uMakgopa than uTshego Faso Mabasa. I don't know ukuthi kungaba yini plan yakhe. But take nothing away from Utshego Faso Mabasa because whenever he comes in, he's a leading goal scorer with Pirates. But with the past few games, he hasn't scored yet. Maybe unfortunately, he couldn't give us anything today. But we move. We remain humble.
It seems like team yakho every time xa ifuna uzama ucontroller midfield isoloko ikwazi ucontrol game. La combination kaMakhawula and also Umbatha. Remember Umbatha bengekho last time.
Yes.
Ube khona. How important was he namhlanje for team yakho Umbatha?
Ngicela umama kaMbatha ang-adopte ngibo umntana khabo Umbatha wes 8 mangabe kuyakhonakala. He's so talented talent. That's why igama lakhe kuyi talent. Then uMakhawula yena he's there to assist Yamaz aggressive when it comes to Ukmaka. Then when it comes to playing, we know that we have Udlamini, we have no talent Mbatha. But ulona uMakhawula he assists i-defense ethu njengoba umbonile bekaya ngabayi3 bekaphethe uSibisi uMbokazi no Qoki. Because they knew ukuthi iSundowns la phakathi i-powerful because they have Walende Adams no Mkwena and he was busy bossing that midfielder. But credit to and who's this guy what defense? Umbokazi. No, not Umbokazi. Makhawula.
No, because he's a midfielder.
He's a midfielder, but ukwazile ukwina amabhola amaningi. Ukwazile ukassista i-defense ethu ukwina amabhola amaningi. So thank you Mr. Shane.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's it. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV. The guy just went past me. He didn't even wait for me to finish. But that's it. It's Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns to the FNB Stadium.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.